Well, maybe because Tuesday I spent the night at someone's house, and I was supposed to take a shower.
Paige!
You're like this.
I took a shower on Tuesday morning.
Hold on.
What?
Yeah. What was that sound?
I have to get back further because you wait too long to slide.
I don't really hurt.
We should slide on our stomachs.
I know.
Oh, you might get splinters. Oh! Or do that. That's what I was worried about.
That was beautiful. That was beautiful. It was slow motion.
Is she okay?
Stay there, I'm gonna slide over you. It's like,
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
no!
My butt hurts.
That was perfect.
You were like already stopped and we're like just standing here and all of a sudden you went.
Like you